In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups in Chrome. If pop-ups have been interrupting your browsing experience, the good news is that Chrome gives you a simple way to turn them off. This can help reduce distractions, prevent unwanted redirects, and make browsing feel a lot smoother overall. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to select. To get started, open the Chrome app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look for the three-dot menu icon. This is usually located to the right of the address bar, and it's where Chrome keeps many of its browser controls and settings. Tap or click the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings area where you can manage privacy, security, and website behavior. Once you're in Settings, find Privacy and Security in the left sidebar and click it. This section contains important controls for how Chrome handles your data, protections, and site permissions. Since pop-ups are controlled as part of website behavior, this is the section you'll need. Next, select Site Settings. This page lets you decide what websites are allowed to do when you visit them, including things like notifications, location access, and pop-up behavior. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. In that section, click Pop-ups and Redirects. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites can open pop-up windows or automatically redirect you to other pages. Under default behavior, choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Once this option is selected, Chrome will begin blocking pop-ups and many unwanted redirects by default. In most cases, the change applies right away, so you won't need to restart the browser. Keep in mind that some websites use pop-ups for legitimate purposes, such as sign-in windows, payment confirmations, or file downloads. If you ever notice that a trusted site isn't working correctly, you may need to review this setting later. But for general browsing, blocking pop-ups is usually the best option for a cleaner and more secure experience. And that's all it takes to disable pop-ups in Chrome. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, choose Settings, click Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, open pop-ups and redirects, and set the default behavior to block them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make Chrome a little easier to use.